What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy, Bob. Where am I? I'm in the country of France, city of Canes. And right now, I'm on the rooftop of the Canopy by Hilton. And my special guest, my brother Robbie.
Hey, there you go.
So we came up here to get some rest from walking that promenade. And Robbie wanted to show me this canopy, and I see why he wanted to show it to me. It's really nice. I mean, and it's beautiful in every direction. Matter of fact, let me just show you around a little bit. So just want to talk to my battle buddies and show y'all, hey, it's a lot of world out here, and I want you to come see it. So for now, I'll be your advance party, and I'm out here doing the recon for y'all. But we out here just checking out the waterfront. Want to show you around.
Don't worry about it. You'll have another bottle at the stop. The truth is, I would never do that. It's the
So yeah, me and my brother Robbie, we just gonna be kicking it up here, chilling. We did our recon today, walked her down promenade, up and back and forth. So now when we come here tomorrow, we gotta start doing our film reviews in person. Matter of fact, let me get you a closer look. So the sun is going down. It's the end of the day. It's currently 8:39 p.m. So you're getting the last little bit of sunlight. But we came here, had a great time, me and my brother Robbie, and we just like going nice places, doing nice things, and meeting new people, eating good food. Don't everybody love that? But I just wanted to show you around what it was like to visit them. Here's my brother Robbie right there. So we about to get out of here. We're gonna say, oh yeah, wait a minute. Before I forget, get off the couch. Come over here with your battle buddy Bob and explore the world. Peace out.